Now we will talk about cross products. Let's review what a cross product was. If we are given two vectors, in this case it's three-dimensional, the cross product of those two vectors is a vector that's perpendicular to both A and B. And it is given like this. And remember how you expand a determinant like this. You can open this up with respect to I, J, K row. And this is going to be plus, minus, plus. And now you can just put I, J, K right here. And these are going to be the minors. And you know how to do that by hand. So let's see how we are going to do it with a calculator. Let's say I want the cross product of 134 with 27, negative 5. The order is important. You put 134, 27, negative 5. So if you expand this, look how it works. I expand it with respect to first row. So positive, negative, positive. And to get this one, you just block this column in this row. You're going to end up with 3, 4, 7, negative 5. For J, you're going to block this column in this row. You're going to end up with 1, 4, 2, negative 5. And for this one, you're going to block this column in this row, where actually I, J, and K sit. And now you calculate the determinants. This is 2 by 2. It means 3 times negative 5 minus 4 times 7. You repeat that, and you get a new vector, which is the cross product. Now, to be able to do this, you can either do this by hand, or it will take too long to enter this and figure things out. So there are downloadable programs at the TI site. I'll show you how to do it. You'll need a graph link, and you'll need to download the program. So let's look at that. Here's the site to download it from. And when you scroll down, you'll see all these things. You can go to calculus right here, and it has a folder, and it will show you what it is that's available. There are a zillion programs in here. So just go and download a couple of them, and I'll give you one that I did, okay? So it looks like there are some related to, vectors and cross products in here. That's one resource. The other one is you need to get the GraphLink in the GraphLink program, and that one is at this site, and it gives you instructions about how to do that. So you just take that out, and I'll show you what that looks like. And here's the site, and it tells you how to download the free software, but you have to buy the cable. Okay, now let's say you don't have a cable, you don't have time to do that download. You can just type the program in. And here's the program. You can pause this video and just type this program in. The way to type a program is to go and enter program, and you go new and create a new, give a name. But I already did the cross product, so I will just go to edit things. So clear home, you can get those things from catalog. When you go to catalog, under C, you'll see clear home. Push that button. Dimension, all those things are under the list ops menu, operations menu. And I'll show you, like the dimension, the L, and all these guys. These arrows are store button, and here's the store button for it. Let me show you the list operations key. Here's the operations. Look what what is in here. You have dimension. So you get the dimension under list ops menu, and I'll show you. Here it is. List ops. Here it is. And you get the dimension right here. This L is also in that menu, you go all the way down, you get the L. To get these quotes and things like this, you go to catalog, and the catalog, if you go up, you're going to see the quote, and you will see equal. All these signs and the operations are right here. What else? The input display, those are under the let me get out of here. When I go to edit, and those are like dimensions, input, and those things. For example, that one is under program IO. Do you see that? Input is there, display graph, output, and all these guys, they are over there. These arrows are store buttons right here. That's the store key. And you pretty much have everything else. And you can type in this thing, and you can pause the video and type that in the program, and you're all set to go. Now let's run this program to do a cross product. Let's say I want the cross product of 134 with 27, -5. The order is important. You have to enter the first one. The first one is denoted as U. Second one is denoted as V. So let's go get that. You go to program, and you're going to execute the cross program. And I named it cross. And it's going to ask, what is the UX? You are going to enter 1. And then enter. It's going to be 3. Enter. And 4. Enter. And it's going to ask you the second one, 27, -5. 2, enter. 7, enter. -5, enter. And look what it's going to do. It's going to give you these numbers. The first one, -43i plus 13j plus 1k. And you're done with executing the cross product.